They're all just getting sun here, look.
Chilling out, catching some rays.
There's little tiny doves. Pigeon, mostly pigeons. I still have yet to see any.
That little one?
Oh, they're looking for food. Look, they're actually coming here. You have any crumbs in your pocket?
No, I got Jack.
Look, they're coming to.
What kind of bird is the little? Those sparrows? The little brown ones?
No, those are like. Hold on. Those are very small doves. I don't know what they call here.
I know that's a pigeon. Look at that black and white one.
Yeah, it's a nice one, right? There's a really nice white one all the way down there.
Right there.
Yep, that's the Craig Benson pigeon.
That's the super gringo.
Super gringo pigeon.
The nice picture of the super gringo fish right there.
Nice. Oh, this must be the bird lady. She's probably gonna feed them. Let me see. You know what? They're not really that scared.
No, of course not.
Oh, they're waiting for her.
Yeah. Mama.
This is bird lady.
Oh man, she's ready to run.
Mama bird.
Oh man, look at this. Look at this. They're like, Mommy, Mommy. Estaban esperando para ti. Todos creen que tú eres madre de él.
I wouldn't mind giving her a few bucks.
She doesn't need it. Oh, she's gonna die.
¿Tú compras toda esa comida? Don't scare them.
They're not going anywhere. ¿Tú le das los pichones comida todo el día?
¿Todos los días? Wow. She feeds these birds every day. ¿Eso no te cuesta mucho dinero? $5,000. Eso es tan bueno de usted.
Yo quedo contenta que coman ellos.
Yo también. Yo tengo 4 en mi casa. Sí. Adiós. Wow. How cool is this?
They're like, this is a hot place. I bet if you go down there, they'll fucking right.
I was wondering, like, why are these birds
Oh, look
coming?
at that brown one. Right
Yeah.
there in the middle one. Oh, look, there's another one. Look at that one. That one looks like he's like preening. He's like,
Yeah,
I'm chilling out. I'm looking good. Wait a minute.
that's a
That's
male.
a girlfriend. Is that a female right there?
Could be.
It's like, yo, baby.
The females, I think, are smaller. Hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby.
She feeds them.
Look at this guy. Oh look. Oh, there's the male chasing the female. Look.
Look, baby.
Like, all right, we had food. Let's make some.
Make some sweet, sweet love.
There they go,
Oh, there they go, man.
flying away.
Look at that. Yeah.
The little brown ones seem to be still hanging around.
Oh, look at them. Now you really can see them.
Yeah.
Too bad you can't take one home.
I like the little ones. They're like little miniature doves. One of them's eating with one wing up. He waves. Look, you see, he keeps raising his wings up. I guess to keep the other birds away.
Some of them are deep brown and some of them are not. Look at that one. It's like brown and white.
Yeah. There's all different colors.
Dude, I'm gonna burn out here in the sun.
All right, let's
and
go.
Your head is gonna burn out here.
Yeah, I know. This sun's crazy. Woo!
Fly, be free.
Be free, little
The
birdies.
little ones, I'm like, I'm not done eating yet.
Wow.
And they fly off into the mountains.
All right, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna get a cab?
Yeah, go down this way.
No more birds to look at, just people.